ChatGPT Agent Mode, Tutorial and Review. How to use ChatGPT Agent feature. I'm going to tell you what ChatGPT Agent Mode is, how to use it, and why it might just change the way you work. Agent Mode is a new feature in ChatGPT that lets it perform more advanced, multi-step tasks for you, almost like having a personal assistant that can follow instructions, use tools, and even access the web when needed. Think of it as ChatGPT on steroids. Not just answering questions, but actively completing projects for you. Right now, it's only available for ChatGPT Plus and Pro users, so free users won't see it yet. To use it, open a new chat, enable agent mode from the settings if it's not already on, tell it what you want done. Whether it's researching a topic, generating a plan, or handling repetitive work, you can even give it step by step instructions and it will handle them in order.